Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to delete my profile on X. So before deleting your profile on X, you may want to have a copy of your X data. So if yes, you want to tap a profile picture in the top left. Now let's scroll down to settings and privacy. Now in your settings, go to your account section and go to download an archive of your data. Now we want to sign into your X account, and after this, X will prepare a large zip file for you with all the data. So this will include your posts, your media, messages, basically everything, all your X activity. And now finally, let me show you how to deactivate your account. You want to go back and please make sure that you're in the section your account in your settings, and now tap deactivate your account option. Now on your screen you have some information provided by X, and at the bottom side of the screen you want to tap this red deactivate button and then enter your password, your X password, to confirm that you really want to do it. And after this your account will be deactivated. But if you log back into your X account during the 30 days after deactivation, your account will be automatically reactivated and the deactivation process will be cancelled. Again, after 30 days of no login activity, X will permanently delete your X account and all data associated with it. So that's how you can delete your profile on X. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.